This is an Exmark. Trusted 2-to-1 by the most respected commercial cutters on the planet. Because these pros demand a mower that works just as hard as they do. Cut after cut, season after season. To make mowers this tough, you've got to get a whole lot of things right. Big things, and little things too. Let's start with our design philosophy of reducing the number of parts by 40% on our latest Lazer Z Zero-Turns. The remaining parts are designed, engineered, validated, and tested for longer-lasting durability. And we made everything else stronger, like the Lazer Z's deck struts, now featuring patented automotive-style maintenance-free greaseless bushings. Drawn steel spindle reinforcements laminated to 10-gauge steel cutting decks distribute the stress of blade impacts. We took inspiration from the world of motorsports, engineering a pan-hard rod and strut system to eliminate side-to-side deck sway and the wear and tear it creates, and dramatically reduce maintenance, even after extended use. And while we were at it, we also re-engineered the Lazer Z's innovative hydro drive system for simple annual maintenance with no hydraulic hoses to leak and just one easy-to-change belt. Bottom line is, we spend substantial time and resources designing and building mowers for a lifetime of service, saving you both time and money over the long haul. Exmark. Engineered by us, trusted by them, ready to work for you. Visit weareexmark.com for one of our 1,500 plus servicing dealers near you.